What's up guys, welcome to another weekly dose of video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the crew. My name is Aldo, I'm an entrepreneur and powerlifting athlete. I've been trading Forex for around 3 years, and as of recent I'm going through one of the biggest setbacks I ever had in my trading career. I have a full video on this topic, so if you're curious, I leave the link in the description. As a consequence of this period, I'm learning a new strategy, a new approach to the market, and I thought it would be great to document how I'm approaching this learning phase of the new strategy as an experienced trader. First, student. Assuming you just bought your new course, you are excited, and now you will go into a student phase where you will be studying and making sure you understand all of the concepts taught in the course. In this phase, you should also try to reach to as many successful traders as possible, including your mentors, to ask questions and general help to test if you're ready to go on to the next phase. Try to apply all of the tools you just learned in the live markets and see if they work out, at least if they make sense. Don't worry if you don't get 100% everything right, you will get better eventually. So just make sure you have a pretty good understanding on how, when, what tools you are going to be using. Second, build a plan. You can work on this phase alongside the previous one. As you study the concepts, you begin to make a draft of your plan. I already made an entire video on how to build a solid plan, so I'm not going to dwell on this topic too much. I leave the link in the description. The only thing I will add is that thanks to this step, you will have a consistent and hopefully easy approach to execute on every day. Third, backtest. I also have an entire video on how to backtest properly. I leave the link of the video in the description as well, so make sure to check them all out. To build confidence and trust in your plan, you will now go into an intense backtesting phase where you will basically show yourself the approach you just built, assuming you already have your plan, works and makes you money long term. In the beginning, it doesn't matter how much. What matters most is that you are able to be consistent throughout the months and years. This step is absolutely crucial to build confidence in your approach, and that will help you take down any fear issue you might have, and same goes for trust. If you don't trust your plan, you will eventually try to cheat, holding trades longer than you should, taking invalid setups, and so on. Fourth, forward test. You can of course execute this phase alongside the previous one. I actually advise this process because it will speed up everything. Both this step and the previous one will help you get your practice in. Of course, the more the better. This test is all about setting your demo account up and try to grow it over time. Once your live performances, basically your P&L, profit and loss, your strike rate, are close to the backtesting performances, you are now ready to tackle the last phase. Fifth, print money. You know what time it is. Time to set a live account up, deposit some cash, and see if you can grow it over time. This will be your final test because playing with real money will expose any weaknesses left you might have. Some notes worth mentioning are, at any point in time, even if you become a real trader, even if you make money on a consistent basis, feel absolutely free to go back to these previous steps, to put some work in, get better, improve your performances. There will always be something to work on, so feel free to do whatever feels right. The second note I want to mention is that you need to take as much time as you want, making sure you complete each and every single step. It's very easy at this point to see the end goal.
Oh, that's hot.
and rush the process. I really had to learn this the hard way. It's not really worth it. So take your time. Last note I want to mention is that as an experienced trader, I'm able to work on all of the steps at the same time and judge correctly whether I'm making progress or not. But aside from that, I'm still following each and every single step I just mentioned you. So just to prove you guys that what I just told you, it's literally what I'm doing right now. The video ends here. Hope you guys found some real value, and I'll catch you in the next one.